Isang strategy po ngayon ng 11, kaya napansin niyo po every weekend.
Sa body language ng ilang senador nung Wednesday, may mga nakita kami na probable pwedeng kausapin over the weekend. Yung may dalawa sa kanila na probably after what happened, talagang medyo disgusted din naman.
Hopefully, we get one or two more from the majority bloc.
Alam niyo po ang kudeta, ang isang essential element po dyan ay stealth o kaya yung tahimik, ibubulaga ka, magugulat ka. So bakit sila maingay about it? One is to try to create distrust among the 13. Secondly is to create pressure. And number 3, bakit nila pinipredict? May huhulihin dyan, may arestuhin, ganyan. Okay. Because may mga kakampi sila sa kabinete. That's very clear, no? My point is this. One of their intent is to not allow the electronic or teleconferencing or any kind of online voting para pag sila majority sa floor, aagawin nila yung mga committee. At pag naagaw yung mga committee, sila na naman magdidikta ngayon kung anong pwede i-hearing o hindi. Nakita nyo po na inaalok namin ng committee. They can read their members anytime. So, nagugulat lang ako kay Senator Erwin paulit-ulit na wala daw napasa during my time and mabagal, etc. Pero nandyan na yung mga malalaking committee, hindi sila nagpapalista as members. Dati nag-uunahan pa. So, I'll try not to make as much comments regarding the senators because I do believe when you're Senate President of the whole Senate, I can make a list para kontrahin yung sinabi ni Senator Lacson of bending backwards. Sila bending the law, bending the rules. Ako bending backwards. Lahat ng request nila, hindi ko na isa-isahin. Basta't kaya, ginagawa. Sa impeachment po, consensus. I did not dictate anything and maayos na lahat yan.